Sometimes when you do your designs, you have a screenshot of that design and you want to present it on a smartphone, just like this smartphone mockup. But then it can be very challenging doing this on Pixellab, given the difficulties that comes with you using this particular tool here called the Max tool, because in order to achieve such a mockup or of your screenshot, you need to use the Max tool. But then I will not be taking you through that difficult task today. We have gotten a very new and different hack that will be the easiest way to present screenshot of your designs on a smartphone, just like this, without going through the stress of Pixellab. This is Don's Graphics, guys, and if you are joining us for the first time, do well to subscribe. Now I would love you to pay particular attention to what we are going to do here. We'll be mentioning the name of a website shortly. All right, just ensure you watch this video closely, okay, because I will be sharing this website with you just now. What we're going to do is to let me just select a design project from my project files. Let me just select a design. Let's say we have this design here, right? This is a church program flyer. Now what we're going to do is to screenshot this design. So we can screenshot it and we have a screenshot of the design. Right now what we're going to do, we have a screenshot of this design. Now the easiest way to present this design on, or this screenshot on a phone mockup, is just to go to your Google Chrome browser. Okay, go to your Google Chrome browser. Like I said, it's very simple and straightforward. Now on your Google Chrome browser, you will normally see this search bar where you can easily search for a website. There are two ways to do this. One of it is just to randomly search for phone mockup online. Okay, then you will see a lot of websites where you can actually mock up your designs. We have free phones mockup, mockup.net. We have the previewed free mockup generator. In fact, we have even mockup bro. Okay, these are all websites where you can generate mockup for that screenshot of the design you did on Pixellab. But the famous website where I use for my phone mockup, and it comes out so nice and cool with my screenshots for my design, is this particular website. We call it Mockup Phone. Okay, so Mockup Phone is that website which is very easy to use. All you need to do is to enter on it, and as you click on the website, you'll be shown these two options here, whether you can choose, and you easily want to choose any of them. Okay, let's go with iPhone 14. Consider we want to mock up our design on iPhone 14. You have the iPhone 14. It starts with iPhone 14, then you have iPhone 14 Plus, iPhone 14 Pro, and iPhone 14 Pro Max, or the iPhone 13 right down to iPad mini. Then you can equally request your own kind of device, but then that is not worth it because you have tons of smartphones here that you can easily present that screenshot on. Okay, however, you can also see where you can choose the version of the mockup. It should be iOS or Android. Then we also have wearables like watches. Okay, we have watches. Let's check for watches. You see, you can equally present your design on these watches. Then you have computer, where you can present that screenshot of that design. Okay, then we have a TV where you can present your design. All right, but we are working with iOS, so we are going to click back on iOS, and I want to use iPhone 14 for this design, so I'm going to click on this. Okay, these are the various designs. Now once you click on it, you will see this option pop up where you say browse files, so you can browse files to drag your design and drop. So basically we're going to click where we had a screenshot. This is it here. I'm just going to click on it, then we click on done to continue. Then as you see, it has already been uploaded here. The file has been uploaded, file uploaded. So you can see the description is very clear. The file has been uploaded here. What you can do basically is now to click on generate product mockup, and you wait for the website mockup phone to do the job for you. And guess what, guys, after some few seconds of waiting, our mockup is ready for that screenshot that we had on Pixellab. So all you need to do is to proceed to download my mockup, and just click on download. Then it will be downloaded, and now you can actually open it. So you can choose which file to open it with. I'm going to open it with my file manager. I click on just once, and here we have a mockup. Now you want to extract this into your phone storage properly, so I'm going to click on this touch up button here. Then I'm going to select the destination path for the extraction. So I'm going to click on main storage, and of course I have a lot of folders where I can easily extract the product mockup onto. So what we're going to do here is to look for one nice folder. I want to choose a folder where I can extract this into. So it has been extracted, and if you want to see your work, you can go to your photo gallery. And for me, normally I would love to choose my picture gallery, because that is exactly where I can easily find the mockup. So I'm going to show you guys now. This is the mockup. As you can see, this is another one. This one is normally horizontally, then this one is vertical. But in order to see this world, normally you go with this kind of screenshot phone mockup on your Pixellab design project. So we can launch back our Pixellab, just change this background into something much more easier to identify. Then you bring in the product mockup, or the screenshot mockup as I can put it. So let me just bring this vertical one, so you can see our work has been mocked up perfectly, guys, without any errors. So this is way much easier than the traditional way of presenting your screenshots on mobile phone frame on Pixellab. That one is usually very tedious and so time consuming. But with this hack, you can easily mock up the screenshot of your designs using the mockup phone website, and it makes it very easier for you to achieve that. This did not take any much time from us, and you can see that it has already been achieved successfully. So that is it, guys. Thank you for staying around with us. We hope to be seeing you in our next tutorial. If you have any questions or you love us to do any tutorial, let us know in the comment section. God bless you. See you in the next slot.